Hey, Daddy, you know something? I don't like when I come from the club and you're always talking. I don't like that. You make me feel like I'm a kid. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you're talking, I don't even understand what you're saying. And last time I was in school playing soccer, you keep yelling at me in Creole, like I don't even understand what you're saying. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you don't comprehend me in Hebrew. I don't have no problem. As long as I talking to American, they comprehend me. And you don't comprehend me? Hey, I find you very frequent. Eh? Last time I go to your school talking about no. When I go to your school, I call you, I say Vimbalo. You supposed to Vimbalo love him. You looking at me like you don't know me. Eh? Ibre, hey. M'pap dou aucun bagay, attendez. M'pap dou rien. M'attend nous, on lève pour m'daba la ho. When même yo lève yo pour m'daba la ho. Pour t'a dit, oh, when I'm talking to you and you don't comprehend me. Eh?
Hey, Daddy, I need to say something. Yesterday, my girl called me and said that you went to the Walmart, you saw her and started speaking Creole.
Oh, she don't speak Creole. I tell you, I went to Walmart and I said, good morning, mademoiselle. She looking at me like she don't know what I'm talking about. They be so very bush from now, eh? Ou suspect son haïtien, oui. Hey, moi-même, oui. Moi-même, moi, mon qui t'a qu'on haïtien, oui, boss. Hey, moi, you from one day, good morning, mademoiselle. She looking at me like, what this guy talking about? I don't understand. Oh, you don't understand me? Oh, you don't understand me. So you think I'm speaking Chinese and I say good morning, mademoiselle? Eh? Oh yeah. Your girl need to comprendre to parler in Creole. Eh? Try to
For
talk,
real.
talk English to me like what how much money? Oh, I said come here, cups, Claudine. Oh, I don't understand. And you know something? Okay. But you're a mad boy. She said, oh, monsieur, you say what you really say again. You're mad. You couldn't have put cash by your boy one for. Yo! Konya, who was you right? Creole? Say, we say them to America. Eh,